Great, so we can do some basic math operations using Excel. And the first one I'm going to do is show you how Excel adds numbers. So we're going to put in equals, and cell C4 contains 5. And then I'm going to type plus, and I'm going to click on cell E4. I don't actually have to type out E4. So then I click return, and it gives me an answer of 8. And so if I change this number to 5 and press enter, it recalculates it as 5 plus 5 equals 10. And so it's a good idea to check your answers before you move on. So here, this is going to be equals, and so this is going to be C5 minus E5, and press enter and get an answer of 8. Now, for multiplication, you're going to put in equals the first number. Now for times, you're going to click Shift 8, which is multiplication which is an asterisk, and that's multiplication in Excel. And the second number is 10, so 3 times 10 is 30. Next question is going to be division, so this is equals 12, which is C7, and then we use the slash, which is just below the question mark on the keyboard, and E7, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. And again, we should check all these answers. So if I change this to 5 minus 5, you get 5. If I change this to 3 times 4, we get 12. And this one, if I change it to 12 divided by 2, I get an answer of 6. Now for the exponent, okay, remember that 3 to the exponent 2 means 3 times 3, so the answer should be 9. So I'm going to put in equals C8, and then I press shift down, and it's shift 6, so that's that'll be the key for the exponent, and then I click on the cell 2 that contains 2, which is E8, and then I press enter, and we get 3 to the exponent 2 is 9. And so I actually can change this. So if I change this to 4 to the exponent 2, which is 4 squared, that should be 16, and we get the answer. And so you can actually do very large calculations. Now, one thing that you might find, if I put in 4 to the exponent of 8 here, okay, gives me a large number. What you're going to see if I put in a very large number, like I'll put in 35, okay, you sometimes get something strange like that, and I can change the number so that it is, there's your answer. All right, so that's the basic operations for Excel. So now you can continue on with